the largest toothed predator in the world, a sperm whale. Not a species we encounter in San Diego very often. In fact, this is the very first time we've been able to even capture a sperm whale on film. And we were extra lucky because there was two. They can hold their breath for over an hour. They can descend over a mile beneath the waves. It's the whale that inspired the legend of Moby Dick. It was a day full of surprises and smiles. Lots of smiles. And it ended with a perfect sunset. This is the story of a day we spent with sperm whales in San Diego. The story begins with Erica and Jess on a 5-hour whale watching tour with Gone Whale Watching in San Diego, and Captain and drone pilot Michael on a 2.5-hour tour. And at 8:51 a.m., as I'm preparing to play a baseball game, I get this text from Erica. A sperm whale had been spotted in San Diego. And she was right. That 45-degree blow is a dead giveaway that we are looking at a sperm whale and not some other species. And it was a giant. These are the first images we have ever captured of sperm whale in San Diego. With such a special animal in the area, our filming team had to react at a moment's notice, even if that meant making a spur-of-the-moment 2-hour drive like Captain Kyle did. All right, so I'm headed from the desert to San Diego. While Kyle was busy driving, something special was happening with the Gone Whale Watching team that was on scene. Our one giant sperm whale became two giant sperm whales. All right, it is 4:30 p.m. It is so sunny. I know, not a time we normally depart to go whale watching, but this girl found something super cool this morning. And that is a sperm whale.
Two sperm whales.
Two sperm whales. Oh, we got it, Erica. And while you and I were racing to catch back up with the action, our two sperm whales were doing something remarkable. The whales had come together. It's thought that adult male sperm whales mainly keep to themselves when not looking to breed. But evidence is emerging of sperm whale males forming long-term relationships with other males. And these two whales have been seen together for years. Meet Guava and Kiwi, the sperm whale besties. These are the moments that make you fall in love with nature all over again.
Booty. Fire. And the whale popped up into it. I can't see myself, but that's your cue!
A day none of them will forget. And proof that San Diego still holds surprises beneath the waves.